Hello! This is a bit niche. I'm not expecting many viewers for this, but if you've bought the Gigabyte B560I Aurus Pro AX Mini ITX motherboard, it's mini because it's 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters. If you bought that motherboard and you thought, I know, I'll make a very compact system and it'll be a bit funky, so what I'll do is I'll use the BeQuiet Shadow Rock LP cooler, because that's low profile, isn't it? So I can basically put this, you know, in a very tiny box. Right, they don't fit very well, as you may have noticed, but it does fit if you do certain things. First thing that's obvious is there's the back plate of the motherboard there, obviously. You have to mount it so that the heat pipes are at the end next to the rear plate. That's the first thing you have to do. Another thing is you have to, well, because in order to do that, the mounting brackets need to go there and there, not there and there. So you put one there and screw them in like that. And then there's a bar running across the top. You've got to get one of these, basically a Dremel, and you've got to shave off a little bit off each end of the bar. And exactly how much depends on how things are set out on your board, but you just basically give it a grind, see if it will fit, give it a grind, see if it will fit, give it a grind, see if it will fit, and you shave off equal amounts on both ends so that the bar goes in, and then you can screw it in. And so you fit it like that orientation, and then everything works absolutely fine. It sits on the processor nicely. Another thing, which I should probably mention, is you have to choose, don't choose any of the funky RAM that's got LEDs on, because there's absolutely no way that's going to fit. These are just standard Kingston HyperX RAM, just your standard ones with a metal heatsink on, and there's a good couple of millimeters headroom between that and the top of the cooler. So we're all good. Yeah, any questions, stick them in the comments and I'll answer them. You need to, yeah, you do need to cut a little bit off, so don't, and then it all fits perfectly. If this has been useful, then obviously buy me a coffee, that'd be brilliant. Liking and subscribing is appreciated, and as ever, thanks for watching.